Hi everyone, welcome to Reader's World. Today I'll be reading the book Jessie Bear, What Will You Wear? By Nancy White Carlstrom. Illustrations by Bruce Degen. Jessie Bear, what will you wear? What will you wear in the morning? My shirt of red pulled over my head in the morning. I'll wear my pants that dance, my pants that dance in the morning. I'll wear a rose between my toes, a rose in my toes in the morning. I'll wear the sun on my legs that run, sun on the run in the morning. I'll wear the sand on my arm and hand, sand on my hand in the morning. Jessie Bear, what will you wear? What will you wear at noon? I'll wear my chair. You'll wear your chair? I'll wear my chair, 'cause I'm stuck there, stuck in my chair at noon. I'll wear carrots and peas and a little more please. Celery crunch and sprouts in a bunch, an apple to bite and a mustache of white. Juice from a pear and rice in my hair. That's what I'll wear at noon. Jessie Bear, what will you wear? What will you wear at night? Not my shirt, it's covered with dirt. Not my pants that sat in the ants in my pants tonight. Jessie Bear, what will you wear? What will you wear at night? Water to float, my bubbles and boat. I'll wear in the tub tonight. My PJs with feet and face on the seat. My blanket that's blue and plays peekaboo. Bear hugs from you and 3 kisses too. That's what I'll wear tonight. Jessie Bear, what will you wear? What will you wear at night? Sleep in my eyes and stars in the skies. Moon on my bed and dreams in my head. That's what I'll wear tonight. The end. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories. Have an awesome day.